Atlantic Premium Shutters, simply elegant and completely refined. Atlantic Premium Shutters deliver elegant character to enrich the architectural style of the finest homes. Creating virtually unlimited possibilities, Atlantic Shutters open up a new dimension of distinction. An architectural structure graced with Atlantic Premium Shutters becomes a beacon of style, showcasing rich attention to detail. Our shutters provide distinguishing charm for an array of homes. Atlantic's architectural and classic collections offer the most refined and durable shutters available for your home. Each collection offers several versatile shutter styles, available in a uniquely vibrant 40-color palette. Our shutters are made to your exact specifications, combining the quality of handcrafted assembly with the innovation of today's most advanced materials and processes. Atlantic Premium Shutters give your home the ultimate finishing touch. For distinctive character, homeowners can distinguish shutters with standard and custom cutouts. Standard options include palm trees, stars, and crescent moons. Cutouts add texture and eye-catching flavor. Other simple designs, such as hearts or diamonds, can add an extra touch of warmth to historical homes. For coastal and lakeshore homes, motifs can be enriched with anchors or sailboats. Atlantic can make virtually any type of custom-designed cutout. Custom cutouts allow your imagination to shape a look that matches your personal style. Both the architectural and classic collections offer shutters in hurricane storm-rated versions to provide beauty with an additional level of protection to coastal homes. Storm systems are available for a variety of styles, including options that meet the IRC, IBC, and rigorous state of Florida building codes. First, choose the style of shutter, either louver, raised panel, combination or board and batten, or Bahama. This video will only illustrate basic installation for louver, raised panel, and board and batten shutter styles. Then choose the color, either from Atlantic's 40-color palette or your own unique custom color can be matched. Next, determine what collection to choose from. If your shutters are being installed where historic or architectural accuracy is required, you will need to select a shutter style from the Atlantic Shutters Architectural Collection. If this is not a requirement, you can choose a shutter from either the Architectural or Classic Collection. Select how your shutters will be installed. Fully functional shutters. This is historically and architecturally correct when shutters are intended to be open and closed on a regular basis. Operable shutters. This is when a fully functional look is desired, but the shutters will never actually be opened and closed. Therefore, exact measurements are not required. Fixed mounted to the exterior wall. These shutters will not be able to open and close and will not have the dimensional appearance of fully functional shutters. Once you have selected how you want your shutters installed, you then need to measure the height and width of the window opening to determine the size of the shutters needed. Shutters are ordered in pairs, and two shutters of the same size make up one shutter pair. To determine the height of a common flush or recessed shutter installation, take 3 measurements from the left, middle, and right side of the window. Then, use the smallest of the 3 measurements and deduct 1/2 inch to get the correct shutter height. To determine the width, take 3 measurements from the top, middle, and bottom of the window. Then use the smallest of these measurements and deduct 3/4 of an inch. You will then need to divide this measurement by 2 to get the measurement of each individual shutter. To determine the height of a projected shutter installation, measure the height from the outside of the window trim and choose the largest of the 3 measurements. To determine the width, measure from the outside of the window trim and then choose the shortest of the 3 measurements to get the measurement of each individual shutter. For complete hardware selection and mounting instructions, please consult our website at www.atlanticpremiumshutters.com. Here are the tools you will need to install your Atlantic Premium Shutters: tape measure, cordless drill, Phillips and square bits, 1/16 inch drill bit, 1/8 inch drill bit, 1/4 inch drill bit, 5/8 inch mason drill bit S-hook lag, wall mollies for S holdback and acorn holdback, 9/16 inch socket and 3/8 inch drive ratchet. For brick application, you will need to purchase 2-inch long by 3/16 inch wall mollies that will accommodate the supplied screws. Mark the hole of the pintle where desired using a hammer drill. Drill out the brick and install the molly. Screw the pintle into place. For wood, cement board, etc., mark the hole of the pintle where desired. Using a screw gun, screw the pintle into place. Lay the shutters face down onto a work surface as if they were closed into the window on the home. Place hinges in desired location. Line the edge of the hinge to the edge of the shutter. Pre-drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole, then screw into position. Make sure you do not drill all the way through the shutter. Install acorn holdback clips 1 inch from the top and side of the shutters. Place clip in position and mark holes to be pre-drilled. Remove clip and pre-drill holes with 1/16 inch drill bit. Then place and screw into position. Turn the shutters over to install the slide bolt. Push the shutters together and square the ends. Place the slide bolt in desired location and pre-drill a pilot hole no larger than 1/16 inch. Then screw into position. Position the shutters into the opening, allowing equal space from the edges and the center, which should be 1/4 inch spacing at all 3 points. To install the acorn, use the clip as a guide to find and mark center. For brick application, pre-drill a 5/16 inch hole 1.5 inches deep. Insert wall mollies and then screw onto the machine end. For wood, pre-drill 1/8 inch hole. Using a 9/16 inch deep well socket wrench, tighten the acorn to the wall. To install the S holdback, lock the shutter into the acorn clips. Measure down from the shutter 1.5 inches and over 1 3/4 inches from the outside edge of the shutter. If in wood, pre-drill the hole with a 5/16 inch drill bit. Run the lag bolt using your 9/16 inch socket wrench. For brick application, you will need to purchase a wall molly for a 3/8 inch lag bolt. Once your project is complete, it doesn't mean your relationship with Atlantic is over. Atlantic is there to support its product with a limited lifetime warranty. Atlantic Premium Shutters are the perfect accent to any home or commercial building. The variety of profiles and colors provides you the flexibility to customize your project. For detailed information about Atlantic Premium Shutters, installation specifications, dealer locator, and warranty, visit our website at www.atlanticpremiumshutters.com.